Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add motion blur to video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are, and to add a motion blur, simply go into Effects panel, type in Echo, and then you would have the Echo effect right here. So you want to drag that into your clip, and all you have to do is go into Echo Operator, and then go into Screen. And then you can play it, and now you have this simple motion blur effect right here on your video. And you can also customize this by going for the echo time, and then you can go and make it much larger with a value right there. For example, this one right here, you would have something like this. So this effect would be good for dreamy scenes or whatsoever, but with a default value, this would be good for just a normal one right here. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.